Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Jeep enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Gladiator headlights. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a plastic trim removal tool. Of course, have your new headlight bulbs or complete assemblies ready to go. For your safety, always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you start any work on your vehicle's electrical system. This simple step prevents accidental shorts. Now, let's get to removing the old headlights. Pop your hood and use a trim removal tool to carefully pry out the 6 plastic push rivets located along the top of your grille. Once those are free, gently pull the bottom of the grille outward to release the remaining clips. With the grille set aside, you'll see 3 10mm bolts securing each headlight assembly. Unscrew these bolts to free the headlight. With the headlight assembly loose, carefully pull it forward to access the wiring. Locate the factory headlight harness, pull back on its red locking tab, and then press down to disconnect it. If you're just replacing a bulb, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Insert your new bulb, aligning its 3 tabs, and twist it clockwise to secure. If installing a full assembly, simply plug in the new unit's harness. To reassemble, first reconnect the headlight harness, making sure the red locking tab clicks into place. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly back into position and secure it with the 3 10mm bolts. Next, align the front grille and firmly push it back into place until all clips engage, then reinsert the 6 plastic push rivets. Finally, reconnect your battery, turn on your Jeep, and test all headlight functions, adjusting the beam aim, if necessary, for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.